And now this is the test of the character. If you have said something which is true, which is correct, which is right, which is just, and if there is some resentment, some friend has become angry, and you have to undergo some loss, and now you are trembling, now you are retracing your steps, you don't have any character. You are a characterless person. The strength of character, what does it mean? Say out the truth, and then be ready for the consequences, whatever they may be. As Luqman the wise, rahimahullah, he said to his son, Ya bunayya aqimi salah, wa'mur bil ma'ruf, wanha 'anil munkar, wasbir 'ala ma asabak, inna zalika min 'azmi al-umur. Oh my beloved son, establish the prayer. Command to others whatever is right and just. Forbid from whatever is wrong and unjust. And then be ready and take all the persecution that comes to you. Because this path needs strength of character. Azmi al-umur. Azima. You must have that strength of character in you.